What are you doing?
Fixing it.
Is it broken?
Yeah.
What happened to it?
Daddy's working it.
Oh, really?
Daddy do it.
Yeah.
Daddy do it.
Daddy broke it?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Did he try to sit in it?
No.
No. Did he drop it?
Yeah.
Oh, he did.
Fast.
Oh, scratched it. So you're going to fix it now?
No.
You just said you're going to fix it. What are you doing?
I'm gonna fix it too.
You're going to fix it too?
Yeah.
Good job. Do you have your right tools?
My tools.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna take that.
Okay.
We help my screw.
You have the screws? We need the right tools. Maybe when Daddy gets home, you can ask him for some tools. Good job fixing it.
Okay, super big. Hold up.
Okay.
It's really hot.
Okay.
See, it's very hot. Don't touch it.
Very hot? I will not touch it. Thank you for telling me. I don't want to hurt myself.
Not gonna touch
I won't touch it.
it. Okay?
Can I touch it?
No, it's very hot.
Oh, it's very hot. Okay. Can I touch it now?
No.
No.
That's very hot.
Oh, dear. Charlotte? Did you hear your sister? Where are you at? There you are. Did you hear your sister? She said, don't touch. Very hot.
Here. See this is going
Oh, thank you.
really a computer.
Wait, what are you going to do with my computer?
How about Mommy? I'm gonna sit there. Mommy, we sit
You
there.
want to sit there? Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Kisses.